Hey folks, it's Andy Barrar, Handy Andy from Handy Andy Media for Best Buy's blog. We're going to be reviewing the Arlo Video Doorbell. The link is in the description below. This is the second generation doorbell from Arlo. We're going to talk everything from the install, the app setup, and of course the 2K video footage that it provides. Is it any good? Should you get this? Well folks, you've come to the right place. So here's everything you get out of the box. You get the Arlo Video Doorbell itself. There is actually wires. That is the USB-C charging wire, but it also comes with other wires because can also be hooked up to your existing doorbell if it does have that power source, or it can be wire-free. It also comes with some screws with some inserts that you're going to need for the install, and of course the instruction manual with a compliance sheet. So not too much inside of the box of this. The install is actually quite easy. You first start on the app. The app will give you step-by-step instructions of exactly what you need to do to use a release pin to get into the back, and then you would press that button to sync it to your app. I'm an existing Arlo user, and I've been using actually Arlo wire-free cameras since 2017. So it was pretty interesting to see the Arlo line continue and also to see this work inside that app along with those older ones. So I followed these instructions and then I got to this point. Now the app asks you how you want to power the video doorbell. You can do wired or battery powered. And it tells you exact tools that you're going to need possibly for this install. I was setting it up inside my kitchen, and so just after a couple of seconds through the setup, I was able to get some video footage. Now I knew it was time to install it outside, but to be honest, I actually installed it outside before I did this part. But it does tell you the step-by-step instructions inside the app. So I highly recommend you install it on the app first. Do not be like me and try to install it onto the side of the door before you do the app install. And it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to do that, even getting the holes perfectly aligned. Now I want to show you how you do the install. What you have to do is you have to take that back plate off. And the way you do it is with a pin. There's a little hole on the top there. So you press that down and that will dislodge the pin. So there you go. I have it separate. You can see the USB-C port right there. That's how you're going to charge it when you're going the battery powered way. And then that's the mounting plate that you want to attach, because I made a mistake. If you look back over there, you'll see that I have that angled plate already installed. The mistake I made is you need to put the mounting plate on that like this. Or sorry, that's not it. You have to turn it around. I got it the wrong way. I'm going to flip it over in just a second. And this is where I realized I made a mistake. That's the way it goes on. So then you put the screws in with both of those, not like I did with the first one. You put the screws in both of those. And then after you're done that, you just simply mount the camera right onto it. And that's it, folks. That's the install. Both the app and the actual physical install, you're going to be able to get it up and running within no time. After that, you're pretty much ready to go and start using it for deliveries or to monitor what's going on in your front door. Now here I press the doorbell, and this is the video call that I would be getting and looking at. Of course, no one was around at this time, so I couldn't test it with someone else, so I had to do it myself. But there you go. That's basically how it works. People hit that doorbell button, and then you can get a live call. Here's me going to the gym first thing in the morning after getting it set up. I kind of forgot that it was recording me, but it shows me leaving first thing in the morning. And then later on, I have another footage of me coming back home. Of course, it started raining when I went back, and you can kind of just see me return there. And I'm giving you a little wave because I remembered that I'm going to be using this footage in this review. So it really does a good idea of telling you, who's at your front door. If someone rings, you can have pre-recorded messages. Here's some more videos of me after going grocery shopping and carrying everything back inside my house, which brings me to a point. I'm getting all these notifications of me going in and out. And that was one of the criticisms I have. I'm trying to figure out a way where it can recognize me and not record me every time I go in and out of my own door, because I keep getting those notifications. So if you are in the market for a video doorbell, I highly recommend you check the Arlo Video Doorbell, especially if you're already in the Arlo ecosystem. Of course, you're going to need cloud storage, so you're going to have to pay for that. Be mindful, and that's why you want to keep it all within that one ecosystem. I'm Andy Barrar, Handy Andy from Handy Andy Media, signing out. Again, links in the description below if you want to purchase the Arlo Video Doorbell. Handy Andy, signing out.